The Bharatiya Janata Party is holding a meeting of its Central Election Committee at the party headquarters in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is present at the meeting. The meeting is expected to finalize the names of candidates for the remaining seats. The party top brass are likely to decide on the candidates for 25 seats in Gujarat. Earlier on Thursday, the BJP had released a list of 184 candidates. On Saturday, the NDA and allies will announce seat-sharing agreement for Bihar. The opposition Mahagathbandhan in Bihar has announced seat-sharing formula for the Lok Sabha polls. As per the agreement, Lalu Prasad's RJD will contest on 20 seats out of total 40 Lok Sabha seats in the state. 9 seats will be fought by the Congress Rashtriya Lok Samta Party. RLSP will field its candidates on 5 seats, while Vikashsheel Insan Party, VIP, will contest 3 seats. Former Chief Minister Jitan Ram Manjhi's Hindustan Awam Morcha has been given 3 seats. Candidates were also announced for the Lok Sabha seats that go to polls in the first phase. Former JDU President and NDA convener Sharad Yadav will be contesting on an RJD symbol and merge his party Loktantrik Janata Dal with it after the Lok Sabha polls.
सीटवार इस प्रकार है। राष्ट्रीय जनता दल 20, कांग्रेस 9, इस आशय के साथ भी कि राज्यसभा की पहली सीट बिहार कांग्रेस की किसी नेता को जाएगी। रालोसपा 5, हम 3, वीआईपी 3 और माले को 1 सीट राजद कोटे से। गया हिंदुस्तानी अवामी मोर्चा प्रथम चरण का मैं दोहरा रहा हूं, श्री जीतन राम मांझी जी। नवादा राष्ट्रीय जनता दल श्रीमती विभा देवी। जमुई रालोसपा श्री भूदेव चौधरी। औरंगाबाद हिंदुस्तानी अवाम मोर्चा श्री उपेंद्र प्रसाद। विधानसभा के उपचुनाव में दलगत स्थिति। नवादा हिंदुस्तानी अवाम मोर्चा धीरेन्द्र कुमार सिंह उर्फ मुन्ना। डेहरी राष्ट्रीय जनता दल मोहम्मद फिरोज हुसैन।
The Bahujan Samaj Party released its first list of candidates for the Lok Sabha polls on Friday. The party has named 11 candidates in the first list. The BSP has fielded former JDS General Secretary Kunwar Danish Ali from Amroha. Ali had joined the BSP only last week. Mayawati's BSP is contesting 38 of the 80 Lok Sabha constituencies in Uttar Pradesh under the seat-sharing agreement with Samajwadi Party and the Rashtriya Lok Dal. The Shiv Sena on Friday declared its first list of 21 candidates in Maharashtra for the Lok Sabha polls. In the list, the party has retained 17 sitting MPs. As per the pre-poll alliance, the BJP will contest on 25 seats and Shiv Sena on 23 out of the 48 Lok Sabha constituencies in Maharashtra. Of these 23 seats, the Uddhav Thackeray-led party has announced candidates on 21. In 2014, the Sena had contested on 20 Lok Sabha seats in the state and won 18.
शिवसेना भाजपा के उम्मीदवारों की जो सूची है जारी कर दी गई है। 23 जगह शिवसेना लड़ रही है, उसमें से 21 उम्मीदवारों की सूची आज जाहिर हो चुकी है। 2 उम्मीदवार अभी हम घोषित करना बाकी है, एक पालघर और सातारा। ये दोनों नामों की घोषणा 2 दिनों में हो सकता है, रविवार को ये जाहिर हो जाएंगे।
NCP's Maharashtra Unit Vice President Bharti Pawar and Congress leader Praveen Chheda on Friday joined the BJP. Meanwhile, the Congress and the NCP will announce their seat-sharing pact and alliances with smaller parties for the 48 Lok Sabha seats in Maharashtra on Saturday. An office bearer of the Congress said that both the parties will contest 23 seats each and leave 2 for the allies. Congress has so far announced candidates for 12 seats and NCP for 16 seats. Both the parties suffered a setback last week when Sujay, son of the leader of the opposition, In Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, Radhakrishna Vikhe Patil and Ranjit Singh, son of NCP MP and former Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Singh Mohite Patil, joined the BJP. Former cricketer Gautam Gambhir today joined the BJP and is expected to be fielded by the party in the Lok Sabha polls from one of the seats in the national capital. The former opening batsman joined the party in New Delhi in the presence of Union Ministers Arun Jaitley and Ravi Shankar Prasad. Gambhir was recently conferred upon the Padma Shri Award. New Delhi constituency is currently represented by the party's Meenakshi Lekhi.